Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can group rows and columns for a cleaner spreadsheets. So grouping in spreadsheet allow you to hide irrelevant data when it's not needed, and it makes your spreadsheet look clean and organized. So it is perfect for large data sets where you need to focus on specific sections of the informations. So if you want to keep your Google Sheets neat and organized, you need to do grouping. And this is how you can do it. So let's say I want to group this ones right here. So what you need to do is just select this. Select the rows and columns that you want to group. And then you can just go to view at the top, group, and there will be this option group rows 31 until 34. Click on that, and if you want to hide this as a group, you can just right click on it and choose to hide, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.